Very good morning to all of you. I welcome all the parents and students who who had joined the 10-day Shloka workshop. So before beginning any session or any auspicious program, we chant the Prarthana. So I would like to sing the Ganapati Shlokas. जयतु जयतु विघ्नेश्वरा तापत्रय विनाशना विश्वमङ्गला जयतु जयतु चार्वाङ्गा करुणा नयनदिन्दली नोडु ನಮ್ಮ ನನವರತ ನಮ್ಮ ನನವರತ ಮಾತರ್ನಮಾಮಿ ಕಮಲೇ ಕಮಲಾಯತಾಕ್ಷಿ ಶ್ರೀ ವಿಷ್ಣು ಹೃತ್ಕಮಲವಾಸಿನಿ विश्वमातः मातर्नमामि कमले कमलायताक्षी क्षीरोदजे कमलकोमलगर्भगौरी लक्ष्मी प्रसीद सततं नमतां शरण्ये नमतां शरण्ये I welcome you all again. Without making any delay, let us begin the program. I would like to call upon Dhanvi to start chanting the shlokas, whatever she has learnt. So she'll be chanting, every student will be chanting 2 shlokas. Let's call Dhanvi. Dhanvi, please come on video and chant the shlokas. Very good, Dhanvi. Let me call upon Tejaswin to start chanting the shlokas. Tejaswin, quickly come on camera and start.
Jya Saraswati Karamule Sthite Gauri Prabhate Karadarshanam Yamune Chaiva Godavari Saraswati Narmade Sindhu Kaveri Sarasmin Sannidhim Kuru.
Thank you, Tejaswin. Samagya, please switch on the camera and start chanting shlokas.
समुद्रवसने देवी पर्वतवनमण्डले विष्णुपत्नी नमस्तुभ्यं पादस्पर्शं क्षमस्व मे अन्नपूर्णे सदा पूर्णे शङ्कर प्राणवल्लभे ज्ञानवैराग्यसिद्ध्यर्थं भिक्षां देहि च पार्वती.
Very good, Samagya. Let me call upon Shreyas. Shreyas, please switch on the video and start chanting shlokas.
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। रामस्कन्दं हनुमन्तं वैनतेय मृकोदरं शयनेन यः स्मरे नित्यं दुःस्वप्नं तस्य नश्यति।
Yes. I would like to call upon Muskan.
त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव उदये ब्रह्मस्वरूपोऽयं वर्तते महेश्वरः अस्तमाने स्वयं विष्णु तहि मूर्ति दिवाकरः।
Thank you, Muskan. Swaroop, please.
मृत्युञ्जयाय रुद्राय नीलकण्ठाय शम्भवे अमृतेशाय शर्वाय महादेवाय ते नमः। हरे राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताय पते नमः।
Swaroop. Anvesha, please come on camera and start chanting shlokas.
अरोगता भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। Thank you.
Very good, Anvesha. I'd like to call upon Sanvi to chant shlokas.
कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय देवकीनन्दनाय च नन्दगोपाकुमाराय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः। शरीरे जर्जरीभूते व्याधिग्रस्ते कळेबरे औषधं जाह्नवीतोऽयं वैद्यो नारायणो हरिः।
Very good, Sanvi. I would like to call upon Mritulika to chant shlokas. Sorry, her sister Prarthana as well. Yes, Mritulika and Prarthana both are going to chant shlokas.
गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवम् उपास्महे।
Thank you, Prarthana and Mritulika. Let's call Manasvi. Manasvi, please start chanting shlokas.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय कोटिसूर्य समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननम् अहर्निशम् अनेकदं तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तम् उपास्महे।
Very good, Manasvi. Arnav, please come. Please switch on your video and start chanting shlokas. Arnav.
कराग्रे वसते लक्ष्मी करमध्ये सरस्वती करमूले स्थिते गौरी प्रभाते करदर्शनम् गंगे च यमुने चैव गोदावरी सरस्वती नर्मदे सिन्धु कावेरी जलेऽस्मिन् सन्निधिं कुरु.
Very good, Arnav. I would like to call upon Driya.
पूर्णे सदा पूर्णे शङ्करानवैरव्ये ज्ञानवैरव्यसिद्ध्यर्थं दीक्षान्ति च पार्वती समुद्रवसने देवी पर्वतस्तनमण्डले विष्णुपत्नी नमस्तुभ्यं पादस्पर्शं स्वमस्वमे. Thank you.
Very good, Driya. I would like to call upon Lasya.
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणीं विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा. रामस्कन्दं हनुमन्तं वैनतेय भृगोदरं शयनेय स्मरे नित्यं दुःस्वप्नं तस्य नश्यति. Thank you.
Very good, Lasya. I'd like to call upon Jalatija.
त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव मम देवदेव. जय प्रार्थना श्लोक. उदयरम्भस्वरूपोऽयं मध्याह्ने तु महेश्वरः अस्तमाने स्वयं विष्णु जयमूर्ति दिवाकरः. Thank you.
Very good. I'd like to call upon Mukund to start chanting shlokas.
वक्रतुण्डं महाकाय सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा लक्ष्मी करमध्ये सरस्वती परमूले जते गौरी प्रभाते करदर्शनम्. Thank you.
Very good, Mukund. Let me call upon Janani.
अगजानन पद्मार्का गजाननम् अहर्निशाम् अनेकदं तं भक्तानाम् एकदं तमुपास्महे. सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा.
Very good, Janani. Okay. Mayank, you can start chanting shlokas.
नमस्कार. हरे राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताय पतये नमः. शुक्लां वरदरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये. धन्यवादः.
Very good, Mayank. Sarika, please come on camera and start chanting shlokas.
कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय देवकीनन्दनाय च नन्दगोपकुमाराय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः. शरीरजर्जरीभूते व्याधिग्रस्ते कलापरे औषधं यः न वेदोऽयं वैद्यो नारायणो हरिः.
Thank you, Sarika. Shrikar, please come on camera and start chanting the shlokas.
बुद्धिर्बलं यशोधैर्यं निर्भयत्वम् अरोगताम् अजाड्यं वाक्पटुत्वं च हनुमत् स्मरणात् भवेत्. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्.
Thank you, Shrikar. I would like to call upon Samhita to start chanting the shlokas.
क्रतुण्डमहाकाया सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा अगजाननपद्मार्कम् गजाननम् अहर्निशम् अनेकदं तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तम् उपास्महे.
Thank you, Samhita. Dheeraj, please come on camera and start chanting shlokas.
ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवम् उपास्महे. गुरुब्रह्मा गुरुविष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय कोटि सूर्य समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननम् अहर्निशम् अनेकदं तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तम् उपास्महे.
Very good.
करग्रे वसते लक्ष्मी करमध्ये सरस्वती करमूले स्थिते गौरी प्रभाते करदर्शनम्. Thank
Good.
you.
Good. Okay. We've come to the end of the workshop. There were almost 250 inquiries which came ahead, but then out of 250, there were 130 of them who really took a lot of interest and joined the WhatsApp group. And this was a WhatsApp workshop. I always had a doubt whether this will work or not, because this was my first workshop, and I always had a doubt whether this will work or not. But then I can see the results now. There are almost 25 of you who have really learnt all the shlokas. I'll not say all, but more than 15 shlokas at least. Chanted every day, sent audios to me, kept on following up for corrections, and then learnt the shlokas very well. You've joined the rehearsals. Only yesterday I could see you all. Otherwise, we haven't seen each other. Right? Okay. So I'm very happy, and all the efforts are by parents, I would like to say. I only have sent the recordings and done the corrections. If you have sent me the audios, otherwise I have left it as it is, because it's all your interest to learn, right? Yes. So I would like to give all the effort, all the success to the parents, because you guys have really made your children sit and listen to the audios, chant, record it, learned along with them, made all your family members to listen to them, and successfully completed this workshop. So a big round of applause to all the parents. And this has really motivated me to make more and more workshops of this kind. And next month again we are starting this online WhatsApp workshop. So if you want to tell any of your friends and relatives about this workshop, please go ahead and let them contact me. I would like to definitely add them to the group and start it. And the parents, those who have not yet joined the Mindful Parents WhatsApp group, can join, so that you will get to know the latest videos what we post on the channel, and also the upcoming workshops. You can join that. And the remaining group what we have will be omitted off. I'd like to call upon Aparna, Dhanvi's mom, to share her opinion about the program as well as the workshop.
Hi Vidya.
Hello.
I don't know. I don't feel comfortable calling you ma'am, because we go back then high school. So whenever I used to listen you singing when we were in school, I used to think, where if I get a kid, whether a boy or a girl, I should make them learn music from Vidya. So like even though we were in the same city, I could never do that, because the distance and all mattered. But now when you said you will be doing the online workshop, she really excited and made Dhanvi join it. And she was keen to learn everything. Since she's a slow learner, I used to send only one shloka a day. Even then, you were very patient. You were sending corrections and all, and you were responding to each and every query with patience. Like, I would like to applaud your patience so much. And each meaning, recording, and there were three things. One was the entire shloka, the tutorial meaning. I used to sit with her, explain everything, and then chant with her like 2 3 times. And then she used to put on that record, like practice tutorial thing on repeat mode, and she used to learn it like without my intervention or without my support. So that's how she learned it. Means, like, you should imagine a 5 year old baby without anyone's support. She has learned, means, like, it's all your tutorial and audios. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for introducing her to the shlokas. I would like to learn even make her learn even more by joining all the workshops and classes. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Aparna. Thank you so much. And very good, Dhanvi. Keep learning. Learning should never stop. Okay, I'd like to call upon Shreyas and Swaroop's mom, Archana.
Hi Vidya.
Hello, Archana.
Actually, I loved your workshop, and I would like you to come up with more and more workshop because nowadays kids don't have the time and have the patience of learning the shlokas. But now, because of you and your workshop, it helped kids to learn about shlokas and their meanings also. So thanks a lot, and kudos to you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
And you have a very good voice. It gives a very good vibe, actually. When we listen to your voice and your chantings, it gives a very good vibe to us. Lot of applause to you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I'd like to call Priyadarshini, Mukund's mom.
Hi, Vidya.
Hello.
Heartfelt thanks to you for organizing such a beautiful workshop. In fact, it was one of the most engaging and interactive workshops so far in the pandemic that I've actually done for my son. Coming to the workshop, yes, it's a very well curated. The idea and the thought process, the time you have invested is incredible. I can understand a small online activity, how much time it can consume, but you are taking through recording the shloka first, and then second tutorial shloka where you give a gap so that the student repeats after you, and then making a audio with your son so that that age group kids get interested. That was the highlight for my son. When he heard your son singing, that's when he got interested in singing along.
That's so nice.
So this was in fact the best workshop, I would say, because since pandemic all of us are doing all the activity online, a very monotonous kind of things like most of the online workshops are. But here it was really encouraging, and the icing on the cake is doing is abhyasa, so that children have a sense of commitment, and they are also encouraged.
Yes.
So it
is the actual highlight, because more we practice, the more we get to become perfect, and that is the main intention. So it's not the program or the way the place where you can show your talent. No, you have done a lot of abhyasa. That's the reason why you are here and performing in abhyasa.
Yeah. So
Yes,
this is
the reason.
really wonderful. Thank you so much for your time and patience. And you have a lovely, captivating voice. When the shloka is played in the house, everybody says like, "What a lovely voice you have." So the family we are learning. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Upcoming workshop. Thank you.
Okay, my son Samarth is also here actually. He has also joined the call. I'll check whether he can come online and say hello to all of you, because he also if it definitely feels motivated by listening to your words, saying that children are also getting motivated by listening to them. Samarth, say hello. Hello. Thank you.
Thank you all. Hi.
Thank you all. Hi.
Okay, thank you, Samarth.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, with me, even my sister chanted the shlokas, but she was not seen on the screen. Was she also being recorded?
Who is this? Vritalika?
Yes, ma'am.
Vritalika, your sister is also seen. I have
Okay.
seen. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I'd like to call upon Sheetal to give her reviews about the program and the workshop.
Hi, Vidya ma'am.
Hello.
Yeah, I personally appreciate your efforts in making the audios and the videos with the prescribed meanings. And it became very easy for us, and they were very useful for learning the small shlokas for the beginners. So initially, my both the kids took a lot of interest, and then Samagya was quite motivated. She used to send across the audios, the videos. So thank you once again. It's a very good initiative taken by you. So
Thank you so much.
I would all the best and good luck to you. And
Thank you.
looking forward,
Thank you so
definitely.
much. Okay, so this has come to the end of the workshop. Thank you so much for all of you who have joined, learned, and I'm definitely looking forward for you all to participate onto the next workshop. I've already sent the flyers for the next workshop in the group as well as on the Facebook page. Please do visit my channel where I've put in a lot of lullabies, and we have a doctor named Bhinaya Vijay Kumar. She has spoken a lot about motherhood. So please go to the channel and post your reviews as well. And definitely we will be uploading more shlokas, and learn shlokas will with Samarth will continue, and it will be there throughout the channel, and we will definitely grow together. Pavitra, is there anything you want to share?
Yes, Vidya.
Yes,
Actually,
yes.
thank you so much for this workshop. Like, I got to know this through another friend of mine.
Okay.
During my busy schedule, like, I was really not able to sit with my daughters to teach them and all. But they really had so much of interest, especially like how one of the other parent was saying, listening to your son. They wanted, oh my God, a young kid like us is also chanting with his mom, so why shouldn't we do it? Only they used to start doing it. In fact, there were nights when they used to pester me, ask me to switch off my laptop and tell me, Mom, you got to do it with us today because Vidya ma'am is doing. It used to be that way.
Nice.
And my younger one, actually, she was struggling to patch up with her sister. So at one point of time, she started feeling demotivated and she just, didn't want to do it. But then when you said it is going to go live and all that, she was adamant she's going to learn. You won't believe yesterday she would have chanted close to 30, 40 times. Just to ensure that today she is doing it, and that's exactly why I sent her recording today. She was pestering me, Amma, have you sent it to Vidya ma'am? Has she approved? Can I sit tomorrow? And she was the first to get up early in the morning today and dress up herself.
Very good.
She got up at 5. She was waking me up saying, Amma, today we're going to go live. I'm going to come on YouTube and, Facebook and everywhere. People are going to see me. So please get up quickly. That's how she was doing today.
Children really get motivated when they are given that stage to perform what they have learned. I would not really motivate parents to make them chant when all your relatives come in. You have learned so much, please chant, show it to them. No, that is not what I expect. But they have to learn shlokas for themselves to get that positivity for themselves. So please do not motivate them to do that. But this was a small thing to motivate them to learn. That's all. Not to showcase their talent. So the name itself says that abhyasa we have learned, and we want to share it with all of them, so that we get that positivity in us. Thank you so much, Pavitra. Thank you all of you, and yep. Bye bye.